Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make balloon text using Adobe Firefly and Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into using type tool, transformation command, changing of font style, exporting of image, and using Adobe Firefly. So let's get started! So here in our document, I prepare here a landscape size. The first step we're going to do here is we're going to apply the text layer. So to do that, going on to the toolbar, let's find on the type tool, or you can just press T for the shortcut key. Now, once it's already selected, let's go to the options panel. I'm gonna set the color into black. Then, for the font style, I will choose this bubblegum regular. Well, I chose this font style for the reason that this is perfect for our balloon effect. So, let's type it down on our canvas. There you go. Click it somewhere else. Then let's write our text, doodle, there are. Now, make sure that you're selected on the text layer. Press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. Now it's already out. Now let's drag these points out. We're scaling the image and repositioning it. So we're gonna position that here in the middle, something like that. All right, so once we're good with it, you can go to the contextual taskbar down here and click on done. Or you can also press enter. The next step we're going to do here is we're going to export this layer. But before we do that, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back, to export the image, go to the menu bar, go to File, then choose on Export, and choose on Export As. Okay, so for the file setting, I'm going to set this one to JPG. There you go. All right, and then click on Export. Then let's type down the file name and choose the folder where we want it to be exported. All right, so I'm going to set that to download, then file name to, let's say balloon AI text. All right, then click on save. Now let's open a browser window, Adobe Firefly, right? You can just type down firefly.adobe.com. All right, and make sure that you're have a subscription to it for you to be able to generate images. All right, so from here, I'm going to add a prompt here. So the effect that I wanted to apply there will be like this: inflated, long balloon, glossy, light. Let's specific with the color: pink, yellow, blue, green. Then say color. All right. If you want to add more color, can just type it down there, comma, with light blue background. And let's say here, strong shadow. There are so inflated long balloons, glossy light pink, yellow, blue, green color with light blue background and strong shadow. Now click on generate. Once done generating, we already have here the 4 different variations provided by Adobe Firefly. So look at that. What we wanted is already turned into an image. All right, so I'm gonna choose the third one because this one is accurate from the long balloon that I want. Okay, so I'm gonna put on the mouse cursor on this image, then go to this pen, click on that. Now I'm going to use this image as a style reference. Okay, so I'm gonna click there. All right, so where did it go? So going on to the left side of the screen. All right, so actually we already add here the reference. That's the image that we applied a while ago. See? All right, now let's go up here. Then for the aspect ratio, I'm going to click this arrow down, then choose on widescreen because our image from the text is set to landscape. All right, and then for the content type, I'm gonna click on photo. All right, so once I click photo, the auto switch automatically turned off. All right, then from the reference, so I'm gonna click on this thumbnail image like this. All right, so this is where we can put on our image. All right, click on that, then choose on doodle. All right, or the text that we just exported a while ago. All right, this one, balloon AI text. Then click on open. All right, let's just click on continue, and there you go. From the strength, I'm going to increase that full. Right, there you go, so that Adobe AI will detect the text. All right, and then Going down here for the effects, I'm gonna set this one to hyper realistic. Okay. All right. So you can also add any effects that you want. So let's click on here in effects, and let's say I want to add an effect like that, like neon. All right. There we go. All right. Then it's already set and done. So all the effects that I already add is down here under the prompt. Okay. So this is the effect, style, reference. That's the image, right? Composition, that's the text. Photo, hyperrealistic, and neon. Okay, so from the prompt, I'm going to change this one. So I'm gonna change it to text balloon in shape. Let's add here vibrant colors, glossy, and bright. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm good with this. Now click on generate. After generating, so these are the results. Amazing, look at that. All right, so actually all the variations that is provided are all perfect from what I expected. Okay, so just choose and don't. Once you put the mouse cursor on each image, you can see here at the top right corner of the image, it says here download. So you just have to click on download. It will automatically go to the download file. All right, there are. Now let's open this one first, where we save that. And there are. All right, so this one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to make bubble text using Adobe Firefly and Photoshop.